do you recommend contractors, roofers, body shops, any of those to use for my claim? And typically we say we don't like to recommend vendors, and because we just don't want our clients to have a bad taste in their mouth if there could be a million different situations going on. They just might be having a bad day on the vendor that we recommend, or something may not be working exactly right, and you guys get angry at us, and so we try to stay away from that. What we do recommend is using local folks that have good reviews, that are reputable, that have been in the area for some time, and friends and family may have used them, and they just have a good, reputable, long tenure location, and you know who they are. We've seen a lot of situations on catastrophic events where hail damage comes through and damages a wide range of area. Roofers come from all over the country, they flood the market, and they're just knocking on doors. And so they'll get with the client, they'll recommend for them to turn the claim, they'll turn the claim in for the client, the insured, and have the disbursement paid directly to them, and then they never do fix the damage. And so you want to kind of veer away from those, because they'll come in at a storefront, pop up a location for 1 month, maybe not even a month, maybe 15 days, and put a little banner up saying, but you could look at the reviews, you could see how long they've been there or been in business here in Hot Springs. And so, if they're a member of the chamber, if they've got good reviews through them, Better Business Bureau, things like that. So just kind of do some research on vendors before using them. And again, you could always give us a call and we can kind of go over that with you too. On the auto side, you could use whatever body shop you would like. There are preferred body shops. Every carrier has their own preferred body shops, and a lot of carriers, the body shop is the same. They all use the same network, but sometimes it's not a bad idea to go through a preferred. Again, you can use whatever body shop you want to use, 100%. If you have someone that you've used for years and you love them, use them. That's totally fine. But the preferred body shops do have some perks. So one of the perks is the warranty usually goes well beyond what the warranty would be if you used your own vendor. And so by saying that, what that means is the insurance carrier is kind of backing this body shop, and so that warranty usually goes quite a bit longer, and you have more recourse if something goes wrong to have another person behind you to say, hey, we need to get this fixed, or this wasn't done properly, versus just yourself trying to go after the body shop if something wasn't done correctly. So you've got that in your back pocket. And then a lot of times rental reimbursement has a cap, and if you use the preferred vendors, not all carriers, some carriers, they waive that, so there's no cap, because the reason they do that, they know exactly, they're working with this body shop, they know the turnaround, they have the same system, so if they put something in a computer, it pops up to the body shop immediately. So they can communicate faster, they can send estimates and bids faster through that way, and so it's usually a faster turnaround. So just keep that in mind as well. But again, always give us a call. We can walk you through this in any situation on what vendors to use, and then just make sure you check them, make sure they're reputable, good reviews, and they've been around for a while and you've heard of them.